Hi and welcome to Mark 1 Sailing. I'm Mark and today we're going to do something a bit different. You see this behind me here? This is the place where I'm going to film in future. I want to set it up, so I just want to pop the camera over there and just go and start filming so I can get more content out. You may have noticed I haven't done anything in the last half a year about, maybe even a bit more. But I want to start again, so that's what we're going to do. But before we can start cleaning this up, there's something we have to do. Okay, so obviously some things have changed, but as you can see, I did kind of put the plants and stuff back. Because, you know, if your girlfriend tells you you can't build a studio in the middle of the living room, you kind of gotta listen. So I'm gonna try something else. There is one more room we have that is, however, filled with junk. So, come on, I'll take you along. Okay, so we're pretty much finished for the day. What do you think? The set is smaller than I planned, and I don't have all the stuff I want in here already, but it's, you know, I think you get the picture of what I want to achieve here. I do even get some separation from me in the background, although my head is kind of huge in this shot. I don't know if I'll keep it that way, but I do kind of like the lighting. I think the backdrop is pretty cool, and yeah, tell me what you think. What should I add? What should I maybe get rid of? Write in the comments below, and please don't tell me in the comments that I shaved wrong. I know Mark shaves a bit differently, but yeah, that's just too much work for me. Quick and dirty in that case. Thanks for watching. See ya. And, you know, as always, fair winds to you.